And now we are in Terminal 2, and that is our Asia hub where they fly from. And we're gonna fly with AirAsia today to Puerto Princesa. And here is Terminal 2. It's a small terminal. They have 41 check-in gates. And on the other side there is another aircraft. Philippine Airline fly from the other side. They go from here. Philippine Airline check-in 01 to 21 is Philippine Airlines part of this terminal. And here is the board where the flight go. And here is the security check-in. Let's see what they want. Okay. Exact.
Mr. Peter Lambert, go to gate 6.
They're gonna take it there somewhere.
Peter,
you have the ticket?
Peter
Okay.
Lambert, go immediately to gate 6. Going where?
We go in Puerto Princesa.
Puerto Princesa. Thank you.
Thank you. Take off the belt or?
How about you? Where going?
Lead off.
What about? Yeah. Okay.
Small items, milk, we have coins.
Shoes, no.
No, coins or wallet.
Yeah, no, nothing of that. No.
Flight Z2225 bound for Cathay, Boracay. This is not yet boarding. Once again, we are not yet boarding. Please be advised that your new gate assignment will be at gate number 15. Once again, your new boarding gate assignment is at gate number 15. So all departing passengers Cathay, Boracay with flight number Z2225. Please proceed to gate number 15 and wait for
The boarding area. What to do? Our gate is, they don't tell us our gate yet. So we can just find some seat and then
you may land
can go
off
around.
according to your zone numbers at gate number 15. Zone 1 passengers. Current seat numbers from rows 1 to 5, 12 and 14. Premium flex guests, fast pass guests, guests traveling with infants and small children, senior citizens, and those who need special assistance. Are at zone 1. Zone 2 passengers are the seat numbers from
And here we have eatery. Hot coffee, brewed coffee, 110. Ice. You like ice, americano? No. Nothing. So. Double sandwich, 200 peso. And a brewed coffee, petite, 105 peso. So that's okay. Yeah, let's see here. I don't know if that's our plane, but we go AirAsia flight. Could be this.